Madam. First of all, being a first-timer, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the people of my state for giving me this opportunity and for placing their confidence in me to represent them in this august house. Secondly, I would also like to extend my invitation to all my esteemed colleagues to take time out from your busy schedules and during our tenure visit my beautiful state. Mizoram is also known as the most peaceful state in India despite being surrounded on two sides by our neighboring countries, Myanmar on the east and Bangladesh on the west. Honorable Madam, through you I want to draw the kind attention of the central government to a burning issue currently affecting my state, in which the problem of African swine fever, ASF, which have affected the livestock and livelihood of thousands and thousands of people. As per the latest reports, the pig farmers of our states have suffered financial loss of over 200 crores due to the recent outbreak of ASF. Since February 2024, ASF has caused the death of over 8,251 pigs and culling of over 15,000 pigs as per official records, and this number is bound to be much more as there are numbers of unreported cases. I would like to specifically highlight the hardship being faced by some of our pig farmers who have taken loans worth several crores but have lost everything due to this outbreak. Even before this recent outbreak, ASF has plagued the state since many decades. Such is the magnitude of this problem that even I myself have been affected personally by this outbreak. After the result of the Lok Sabha election was announced, I could not even celebrate my victory properly as my own locality was declared as infected area. I therefore request the Honorable Union Minister of Animal Husbandry to keep us contained the spread of ASF immediately and to help in finding out measures to contain it permanently. Keeping in view the hardship faced by our pig farmers, a project proposal for revival of the piggery sector amounting to rupees 26.725 crores only had been submitted to the central government. I must mention that no financial aid has been received to compensate for the livestock which have been lost due to the disease but not due to culling. I therefore urge the Honorable Union Minister for Animal Husbandry to kindly look into this personally and give favorable consideration to the proposal at the earliest.
माननीय सदस्य श्री राहुल सिंह लोधी जी, एक मिनट, माननीय सदस्य प्लीज।
No. 2021 से 2024 जून तक मतलब 3 साल, 3.5 साल में 555,602 ASF से मर चुका है और 40,540 चुने गए। पूरे 22,142 मर चुका है। 22,718 परिवार प्रभावित हुआ था और 652 गांव परिवार अफेक्टेड हुआ था। नमस्कार, थैंक यू।
माननीय सदस्य श्री राहुल सिंह लोधी जी।